right, guys, here's the video for the Dan Marino autograph football. We will check the time is January 21st at 12:12 p.m. We'll go over to the raffle and type live. We've got January 21st at 12:12 p.m. Here's our list of 50 names. Ooh, too far. Hold on. There we go. Nope, missed it. Redo. There we go. There's our list of 50 names. We have Richard on the bottom and Richard on top. 50 entries, January 21st at 12:13 p.m. I'm going to roll 2 dice. Has to be 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last and final. Good luck. It is Nicholas. Spot 35 is your winner. So, Nicholas, please get with... Was it Tim? Okay. To get with Tim to collect your football. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, January 21st at 12:13 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.